If you're like me, you want to get your projects done and keep your garage clean and organized. With these awesome tools from WORX, I can have both, letting my garage be a space for projects and a hangout for the neighborhood crew. The Pegasus work table and sawhorse can handle it all. It supports up to 300 pounds as a table and 1,000 as a sawhorse, so it's built strong but folds down to just 30 pounds. Plus, the integrated clamping system locks materials in place up to 18¼ inches wide, perfect for any DIY task. The Sidekick work table can hold 300 pounds too, but weighs only 13 pounds and folds down to the size of a toolbox. It even links up with other WORX tools like the Pegasus and has non-slip steel legs, so it's stable indoors, outdoors, anywhere you need it. This 20-volt drill driver delivers power in a 2-pound body with ergonomic handle and dual-speed gearbox, so you have full control. The PowerShare battery even works with over 75 WORX tools, saving you time and keeping your projects going. The SD driver screw holder and semi-auto bit changer simplifies your work and is perfect for tight spaces. And with onboard storage for 6 bits and an LED headlamp, you'll have everything you need, even in low light. When snow season hits, the Nitro Snow Shovel brushless motor provides high power, and the foldable shaft makes storage quick and easy. With 3 adjustable throw angles, you're set for whatever winter throws at you. With tools like these, I can tackle any project and keep my garage ready for both work and fun. Check them out at bestbuy.com or connect with an expert on the app for more info. Well, let's see what other projects my wife has for me.